Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We will discuss today of the Arabic language and rules of the Tajweed Haroof Shafwai, mean to lips letters. Before of the going new topic, I want to tell you we was discussed in the previous lectures Haroof Halqai, throat letters, and echo sound and mean to Qalqalah letters. Throat letters are 6. We make of 3 steps of the throats there. Top of the throat, middle of the throat, end of the throats. And echo sound letter are 5. Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, and Dal. We will discuss today on the lips letter Haroof Shafwai and Haroof Shafatain. How many letters of the lips letter is mean to Haroof Shafwai? Haroof Shafwai and lips letter are 4. First one is Ba. Second one is Mim. Third one is Fa. And next one is Wow. When we are reading of these 4 letters, so we are using our lips. Like Ba, Ba. When I am reading Ba, so I am using my lips. Ba. Second one is Mim. Mim. And here is my both lips are using in this word Mim. Third letter is Fa. Fa. Here's also I'm using my lips. And next letter is Wow. Wow. This is a 4 letter of lips letter. When we read and pronounce of these letters, always time we are using our lips. Inshallah, in the next lecture, we will discuss of Haroof estela, mean to heavy accent letters. Thanks.